Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Do you know what haunts a person the most? It's not your words, it's your silence. I'm Stoicism Glow. Stoicism reveals why your silence is their undoing. Ready to wield its power? Comment I am silent, I am strong, let's break their illusions. They thought you'd chase, beg, break. I did, until silence became my strength. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius and Epictetus teach. Silence isn't weakness, it's mastery. These 5 truths show why your silence hurts the most, rewires their mind, and rebuilds you. Share this with someone reclaiming their worth, a friend, a loved one. Like, comment I'm ready, let's make silence deafening. Words fuel their ego, silence starves it. I pleaded with someone, gave them power. Marcus Aurelius. Silence is a lesson learned through suffering. They crave your reaction, anger, texts, pain. Silence. It's a void they can't escape. No closure, no control. They check your posts, expecting tears, find nothing. That doubt poisons their mind. Practice. Skip one reply, let them stew. Ask, what's their fear? Comment I withhold, you're shattering their narrative. Silence breaks them slowly. I went silent, saw their facade crack. Epictetus. Enjoy being misunderstood. First, relief, they'll beg soon. Then curiosity. They stalk your stories, find no pain. Frustration follows, provoking posts, ignored. Fear hits, are they gone? Regret seals it, memories haunt. They hide the pain, but it festers. Practice. Note their tests, stay silent. Ask, what stage are they in? Comment I observe, you're watching them unravel. Silence rewrites their story of you. I stopped chasing, became a mystery. Seneca. Be unlike the one who hurt you. They thought you'd wait forever. Each silent day erases that lie. They question, was I the weak one? Doubt builds, did I lose them? Your absence mirrors their emptiness. Practice. Post one confident update, say nothing. Ask, what do they see now? Comment I redefine, you're reshaping their reality. Silence is strength when you grow in it. I wanted to explain, chose healing instead. Zeno, listen more than you speak. Don't just vanish, transform. Journal, train, rediscover you. Let them see your glow, not your pain. Weak silence punishes, strong silence rebuilds. Practice. One self-care act daily. No boasts. Don't block, let them watch your rise. Ask, who am I becoming? Comment I grow, you're unstoppable. They break when your silence becomes your choice. I held silence, saw their regret dawn. Marcus Aurelius. Don't be like your enemy. Not days, not weeks, when they realize you're not waiting. They scroll old texts, replay fights, grasp at ghosts. Your peace, not pain, destroys them. They'll reach out, meet a new you, untouchable. Practice. Affirm daily, I'm free. Ask, what's my worth? Comment I evolve, you're beyond their reach. 5 Stoic truths. Silence wounds, stages unravel, it rewrites their mind, growth empowers it, choice breaks them. I chased, silence saved me. You're not weak, you're a force. Which truth hits hardest? Drop it, what's my silence? Like, share, subscribe, join Stoic Guide. Comment I am silent. I am strong, say I choose myself below. Who's rising? Let's glow up together. Stay stoic, stay silent. See you next time.